Hello everyone, Chodesh Tov and welcome to Parashat Truma. In the book of Exodus, Moshe is commanded to fashion 2 golden Cheruvim, angels, and place them on the kaporet, the cover of the Ark of the Covenant, spreading their wings upward and, as the verse says, with their faces turned one to the other. In the Talmud, Sukkah 5b, one view suggests that the Cheruvim had faces like children, while other interpretations say they appeared as human figures, sometimes described as a male and female. Either way, the key point is their mutual gaze, symbolizing love, innocence, and tenderness. Some classic commentators, such as Rashi and Ramban, explain that the Cheruvim reflect the relationship between God and the Jewish people. When Israel is doing the will of God, the Cheruvim appear to be facing each other. When the people stray, they appear to turn away. God likes when we are facing each other, when we love each other, when we are together as one, yes, in unity. On a human level, when people display unity and mutual care, the Cheruvim stand as a reflection of that harmony, inviting the divine presence to rest among them. Rashi, on Exodus 25:22, notes that the divine voice emanated from between the 2 Cheruvim. The Shekhinah, the divine presence, duels in the space between these 2 figures, implying that where 2 individuals stand face to face in a relationship and empathy, God's presence can be revealed. On another level, it teaches that authentic human connection can become a channel for spiritual awareness in our own lives. The message of the Cheruvim facing one another extends far beyond the confines of the tabernacle or the ark. In society, to build a strong community, we must turn our faces toward each other, listening, respecting, and caring for one another. In family and friendships, a sincere look into a loved one's eyes, child, spouse, or friend, can convey the closeness and trust of the Cheruvim mutual gaze. Each of us is called to develop openness and compassion toward others, face to face, heart to heart. The Cheruvim were fashioned from a single piece of gold and underscoring the nation of fundamental unity. Yeah, that's the most important thing, the unity between people. Although they appear as 2 separate figures, they shared a single source, a reminder that when there is a shared sense of ownness among individuals, the vessel is ready to host the divine presence. Only when we're united, Hashem can dwell there, and then everything can reveal itself. The Cheruvim facing one another stand as a powerful symbol of love and unity, both in our relationship with God and with each other. They remind us that holiness is revealed where people turn inward to one another, creating genuine closeness and mutual respect. In that space between Cheruvim and between human faces, we can more clearly hear the voice of the divine, calling us to live with unity, empathy, and communal responsibility. Shabbat Shalom.